welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to share with you like my whole dedicated review on the Dermaco vitamin C. This is the product here. I have used this for more than a month, like I think 30 days के ऊपर मैंने use किया morning and evening, and I know exactly what I want to talk about this. I use vitamin C on a daily basis of different brands. I've used more than 10 brands till now in my like whatever, and I've reviewed most of the vitamin C's in the past also. So this is going to be dedicated review on the Dermaco vitamin C. So if you want to watch, definitely keep watching the whole video. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you don't hit the bell icon, you are not going to get any notifications which you don't want. I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Those are my upload days, being very consistent with it. Reviews, makeup, skincare, fashion related stuffs are there on my channel. So if you're interested in any of these things, you can subscribe. Okay, my Instagram handle will be in the description, so check that out if you have any interest in that stuff. Okay, let's get started. So this is called the Dermaco vitamin C 20% for face serum. This is how the outer packaging look, and this is the product. So this is 20 ml of product which retails for $8.99, and you get it on Nykaa, on Dermaco website, I guess even on Amazon you get it. Dermaco is basically a doctors based brand, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा researched and authentic products है इसमें. I have used Dermaco का AHA BHA cleanser and I loved it. I have also reviewed that in the past and I've talked about that cleanser a lot. So vitamin C's, all this kind of जो ingredients होते हैं which we use on a daily basis in our skincare will give result. If you have issues in your skin, if you have some targeted problems in your skin, pigmentation, acne marks, dullness, you need brightening, so all these things when you have, so you use some ingredient based product which have active base ingredients, which is your vitamin C, E, D. You also have this cleansers, different kinds of acids that we use, that is AHA, BHA. Now in the past I reviewed the Minimalistica vitamin C serum also. If you have any interest in that serum, you can definitely check that out. So in that particular video I have explained exactly the whole use of vitamin C, what vitamin C is used for, what is basically its pros, con, and what it is basically in general. So in this I'm not going to cover that part. I'm just going to review this particular experience of mine from Dermaco vitamin C. The product is 20 ml of bottle and it retails for $8.99, that is 900 rupees, and I feel it is expensive for 20 ml of bottle. In the past I have used 10 ml of bottles and 30 ml of bottle. 20 ml बहुत ही ज़्यादा kind of मतलब मैंने ज़्यादा देखे नहीं है 20 ml of bottles. Again 20 ml of bottle is not like very small, but 20 ml के लिए 900 is expensive for vitamin C specifically, and the usage that I got out of it is something also that I really want to talk about. Now this is not my first bottle, this is my second bottle, which I completely use. The first bottle was not my purchase, I got it from my friend. तो मेरे friend को वो suit नहीं किया तो she gave it to me. So the first previous packaging was glass bottle. So if you don't know, if you have any idea about vitamin C, mostly क्या होता है vitamin C के जो serums होते हैं, they always should be in a transparent bottle की मतलब there should no there should not be any penetration of sunlight, because sunlight से वो vitamin C का जो potency होती है या उसके जो काम होता है that gets decreased. So the bottle should be always like this, like you know एकदम ऐसे बंद रहना चाहिए, like you know dark color, and you should always keep it out of sun. That is like something that you have to be careful of if you're using vitamin C. So they have changed the packaging, which is amazing. So पहले glass bottle में था which was transparent, so it was very easily sunlight से वो expose हो जाता था, but this one is something that they have changed and I think that is very amazing. Now as I said, 20 ml of bottle for $8.99, that is 900. I don't feel that affordable. अब 30 ml का अगर होता तो 900 was absolutely fine. Particular vitamin C also has fluoric acid, hyaluronic acid, and it is parabens, SLS, mineral oil, dye free, sulfate free. Basic mostly अभी बहुत ज़्यादा brands, most of the brands are doing all this thing of paraben free, sulfate free. So it is not that attractive to me right now, but mostly it has hyaluronic acid and fluoric acid. Both of these are very hydrating on the skin. When vitamin C is mixed with these two ingredients specifically, the work, like the vitamin C का work जो होता है वो double triple हो जाता है, because it will give not even glow, it will hydrate your skin, it will also look after your appearance of the skin overall, like brightening and all that. The vitamin C खुद से as an ingredient is brightening on your skin, but if it mixed with hyaluronic acid, so it will give you higher hydration. Fluoric acid is good for acne and stuff. So basically when a product's brand mix 2-3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स टुगेदर, तो आपका मोस्ट ऑफ द काम हो जाता है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू बाय डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स. स्पेसिफिकली एक ही प्रोडक्ट में आपको सब कुछ मिल जाता है. सो अगेन दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड प्लस पॉइंट. सो द क्लेम दैट इट सेज it brightens the skin, fights hyperpigmentation and also even skin tone, which is basically a vitamin C is meant to do. अगर vitamin C का ये काम नहीं रहेगा तो और क्या करेगा, राइट? अदर देन दैट कुछ ज्यादा ऐसे क्लेम्स नहीं है कि आपको 30-40 डेज में कुछ रिजल्ट दिखने वाला है, ऐसे कोई क्लेम्स नहीं. बेसिकली वेरी सिंपल vitamin C serum. 20% is something very high. तो if you are starting off, make sure that you start with 10%. जो minimalistic का vitamin C है, that is 10%, absolutely amazing. Go with that. This is 20%. So it is a bit higher. I've been using vitamin C since like 5 to 6 years, say. So for me 20% is absolutely fine. I use vitamin C serum because it is something that works for my skin, and I have been using vitamin C since, as I said, for a really long time. I keep on testing different brands ke vitamin C, and if you ask me, like, my particular experience with this vitamin C is not that great. I will tell you also the reason. So I've been using, as I said, every morning and evening. So the texture, there is only a little bit of product remaining for me to show you. So I will just show you. If you can see the stickiness, मतलब ये बहुत टाइम से, मतलब सी, I hope you can see like this kind of जो stickiness आपको दिख रहा है ना, this is I think basically because of hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is little bit gooey, थोड़ा वो sticky होता है. तो mostly जब मैंने vitamin C पहले वाले भी use किए, तो it doesn't have this kind of sticky formula because this has hyaluronic acid. That's why I can understand it has those stickiness in the product. But when the product came to me, the dropper is absolutely useless because है ना, dropper से वो जो sticky ज़्यादा sticky serums होता है ना, it doesn't come out. So you have to remove the dropper and then take it in your hand. So it is kind of hassle. If you are paying 900, do you want to do that? No, not me. I don't want to do that. But so I think packaging should be changed. आप pump डाल दो, या the dropper should be more accessible, because what happens is you're sitting there and you're just digging, but nothing is coming out, and then at the end I just take it like that. Okay. So that's what I feel. The vitamin C का जो serum होता है, it should absolutely be clear. मतलब एकदम से transparent होना चाहिए. अगर थोड़ा भी yellow tint रहेगा, so it's not going to work on your skin for sure. So make sure that it is very transparent. For me specifically, already my skin doesn't have that much of issues. I just have little bit of dark spots here and there, but consistently using of this particular product, I didn't see a massive difference in my skin. Yes, after application I did saw some kind of glow, I did saw some kind of hydration on my skin, but overall using on a daily basis, I did not see a massive result. A massive result for me was seen by Ascent Botanica ka vitamin C, even Minimalistic ka vitamin C, even though the percent is less, but still it did a pretty good job compared to this. So for me, I will not purchase this for sure. I know Dermaco is a brand which is really, I don't know it's that good or not, but I've used couple of their products. मेरे पास उसका sunscreen भी है. Even that is something I didn't like that much, to be honest. उसका सिर्फ मुझे foaming face wash अच्छा लगा. That is the AHA BHA वाला foaming cleanser. Other than that, I feel that this brand is fine if you really want to take it. Other than it's kind of pricey and the product doesn't do that great. Because is like something जो मैंने देखा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा influence को पे करते हैं to talk about it. A lot of known YouTubers, like really good known YouTubers, talk about Dermaco के products on a daily basis, like उनके vlogs में, उनके normal videos में, and that really pisses me off. Not because they're doing sponsored content, but something that they just received the product and they're saying it's good. You know, you have to use a product for at least 21 days to know if it's working or no. Other than that, it is not going to, like, you know, you are not going to know about the product, like, except if you want it for free, right? So I get it where it comes from. For me, I will, as I said, I will not purchase this particular product because मुझे कुछ difference नहीं दिखा है. Vitamin C serums are meant to give you brighter effect on a daily basis. So I wear makeup during my shoot, during working on my content and stuff. तो उसके बाद I use vitamin C for that hydration and glowiness. But application तक मुझे ऐसे वो effect दिखता है. But after second, fourth day मुझे इतना कुछ नहीं लगता. So I also have left using it, to be honest. मतलब I think सिर्फ एक दो usage ही बाकी है. So as I said, it is pricey and it is also something that is not doing an amazing job what other vitamin C I've used in the past have done on my skin. So yeah, that is just my review. I think if it works for you, absolutely just go ahead with it. For me, this vitamin C is not bad. It has worked, but not something that I expect from an actual 20% vitamin C. Okay, 10% के vitamin C भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा glow and बहुत ज़्यादा difference दिखता है, but this particular vitamin C 20% होके भी मुझे इतना कुछ massive difference नहीं दिखा अपने skin पे. It was doing something very mediocre work that that even using a simple moisturizer would do for my skin. Okay, that is what just I feel about it. No hate of absolutely. I love the Derma Co ka AHA BHA cleanser. That's amazing. I would highly recommend that. If you are not using it, just go ahead with using AHA BHA wala foaming cleanser. Very good for cleansing your skin and stuff. Other than that, for me, this vitamin C serum didn't do much, and it's pricey as well, so didn't suit my whole experience overall. So that's it. जो claims बोले हैं, like the things that I felt कि मुझे मेरे ऊपर work नहीं किया, that is exactly a lot of people have also talked on Nykaa के comment section where they discuss about the product कैसे है, and on the review section you will see exactly the thing that I'm saying, that you're just using the product, but आपको कुछ ज़्यादा result नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, you feel something in the on the base when you're using it. आपको जब लगाते हो उस टाइम पे आपको थोड़ा लगता है कि हाँ ग्लो वगैरह कर रहा है, but after a while you like इतना कुछ result नहीं दिखता है. Okay, so nothing bad about this. If you want to go ahead and try this, go ahead. It's fine for me. It didn't work. I will not repurchase it. So yes, it's not a bad product, but it is not that good for me. Okay, other than that, I hope that you liked my video. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. And I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, as you know. And the product will not be linked in the description because I didn't like it. Okay, if you want to purchase it, you can get it from Nykaa, the Derma Co website. Okay, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.